So this is an interesting couple. They came to us. The husband is 38 years old, wife is 37 years old. Actually, the wife is working abroad as a medical nurse, and the husband is here. They were married for the past 8 years, and they were trying for multiple treatment options to have a conception, because the time they will be together will be very less. So this time they thought, okay, we will go for the IVF procedure. And for the why the reason IVF is, for the husband, the semen, in the semen there is no sperm. It is a case of azoospermia. So first what we did a trial TSAM-PSA procedure, and we had got multiple motile sperms. So again we started treating him with medical management, so that the quality of the sperms will be much better, and then we planned for this IVF procedure. The procedure was done, and you can see how this is the IVF procedure which is done for this couple. I can show you. So this is the egg, and you can see the sperm go from here. So they are trying to inject the sperm. So it is because of the fluid aspiration, it's going back, and now they are injecting it. So once the sperm is injected, they are doing the needle. So this is the IVF procedure which was done for them, and actually these are the embryos which are formed for them. So the embryo transfer is also done. So we are hoping to get a good result for them. This couple, with a lot of trust they had come. So let's see how it is.